Random table simulates an experiment where you toss a coin 90 times. Okay, 90 times. Even digits represent heads and all digits represent tails. What is the experimental probability to the nearest percent of a coin coming up heads? Okay, here's the table. Let's see how many even numbers we have. Okay, there's one. Let me see if I can, yeah, maybe use pink here. One, I'm just gonna circle all the even numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11 out of, this is a 3 by, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 by 3 table has 18 entries here. Of those, 11 are even, meaning 7 are odd. The probability of getting heads is the same as the probability of getting an even number, which is 11 over 18. Okay, so this is not on any of the multiple choice. So I think what they mean here then, could they specify here, it's even digits represent heads. So we actually have to look for literally, maybe these individual digit numbers represent an outcome of tossing a coin. So that's like tail, 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 tail. I mean, this is two even numbers here, right? So right now there's 18 entries, but each entry has 5. So there's actually 18 times by 5 digits here. Of those, how many are even is something that maybe I need to find here. So there's 2 here, 3, right? So 2, 3, there's 3 here. Okay, and then here I have 1. And then here I have 2, 3. And I have all 5. Okay, 1, 2, 2, okay. And then 4 and 8 is 2, all 5. And then here only 1, right? 1. So this is 3, 4, 1, all 5, 4, 3, and 2. So you gotta add up all of these values. All right, so this gives you 54% approximately.